If you want to turn off the auto download of photos and videos in WhatsApp application so that there will be more space left in your iPhone, then what you do is open the WhatsApp application. Then you will tap on the settings icon here. You will go to storage and data, and if you see, there is an option media auto download, and under this option we have photos, audios, videos, document, etc. Now generally photos, audios and videos will take more space, so we will go to photos and we will select neighbor so that the photos won't be downloaded. If you want to download it, you have to manually go to WhatsApp application and download the photos. Same goes for audio, select neighbor, and for videos also select neighbor. So if someone sends you audio, video or photos, it won't be downloaded in WhatsApp application. You have to download it manually, and in this way you will be able to save space in your phone.